Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an outfits of the week. Not in consecutive order. These are all outfits that I've worn recently that I really like. I'm going to talk to you through why I like them, why I've decided to pair, what I paired together, where I wore them to, and so on and so forth. They're all pretty casual. I do have one that I wore out to a date night, so I'll be sharing with you that. But yeah, I thought I don't always like put on a full outfit every single time of every day of the week, but I still like doing these for fashion inspo fashion content. So I like pulling outfits that I did wear throughout the last, I think this is like the past like 2 weeks or so, because I feel like that's the last time I posted one. So these are actually outfits I wore, just not throughout the same week, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and jump in. This outfit first. This is just a very standard basic outfit for me. I recently got this sweater. I have mixed feelings about it. I don't know, I love the color. I've been loving like statement-ish sort of sweaters recently. I just feel like they're super easy to create an outfit with. So yeah, this is from Shein. I recently got this. It's like a thicker sweater. It's not itchy at all, which is really nice because I honestly thought it was gonna be itchy. I love the color of it, and I honestly like that it's kind of thick and stiff because it holds its shape, if that makes sense. I do think it looks nicer than it is, like the detailing on the sleeves and things like that. But it's just not like, it's not buttery, it's not soft. Just keep that in mind if you do purchase it. But I do really like it, and I still wear it because it's comfortable, and I love the color of it and all that. So keep that in mind. I threw on my little necklace just because I don't have a ton going on with this outfit, so I just have some gold situations. Amazon, you know the drill. And then curled my hair. I always curl my hair either one of two ways, this way or with rollers. So yep, this is the way today. I've been wearing this MVMT, what? MVMT? Yeah, I was like, am I saying MGMT? MVMT watch for, gosh, I don't know, a couple months now. I mean, before I even moved here, so maybe since the beginning of the year. I really like it. I like that it's gold and silver, and it just kind of goes with everything. I've been thinking about investing in a nicer watch, so I just wanted to make sure that I would really wear it, because I've been an Apple Watch girl since like 2015. So yeah, 2016-ish, whatever. Nonetheless, I have been really liking it. I like the quality of it, and yeah, I'm happy with it so far. So let's move along down to the bottoms. So if y'all saw my recent favorites video, you know I tried the Abercrombie's 90 straight ultra high rise in the Curve Love. And I did go down a size, and these are just so nice. Somebody commented on one of my videos and was like, those look so uncomfortable. They're not uncomfortable at all. I don't know why they look uncomfortable to people, but they're really not uncomfortable at all. They're super like, they're baggy in the right places, but they like cinch me in at the waist, which I really enjoy, but not in a like, I can't breathe sort of way, if that makes sense. I love everything about them. I love the wash on these. I had the original medium wash, but I had a small rip on it. I still love those. Those I have in a size up, so they're not as like tight and form-fitting, but amazing. No rips in these. Absolutely love these jeans. This blue I think also goes really well with this like burnt orangey sort of thing. And then for my third color, I like to have 3 colors-ish in my outfit. It's not necessary, but that's why I added the gold jewelry for some more interest. And then my white Converse. I've been really switching over to my black ones, but I decided to pair this with the white just because I felt like it was a little crispier. So I don't know exactly where I wore this outfit. Probably grocery shopping, probably getting stuff done around my house. I probably wore it to film a video. That's what I did. And I just kept it on because it's comfortable. I really like it. If you have not tried the Abercrombie jeans, you need to. They're phenomenal, and yes, everything about this outfit is just very me, very comfortable, very casual. Add some interest to the sleeves by just rolling them up. It just helps give it just a different, like, I don't know, details matter. So the way you style your sleeves matters. Just throw a roll or two in them and it just looks so much better. So this is the first outfit. Let's move on to the second. So let's talk school drop off. I feel like I've been seeing it everywhere, like people talking about what they wear for school drop off to like look put together but still be like comfortable and casual. And this is like my go-to. It's pretty much like, I wear this outfit to drop off Arlo if I'm not going to the gym, which recently I haven't been going to the gym in the morning, so it's a whole nother story. I need to get back on that. But this is what I've been wearing some version of this, but it's super quick, it's super simple, and I just wanted to share it with you because, I don't know, maybe you're struggling or you just need a super comfortable outfit. So first, depending on if it's super cold, I'll throw a denim jacket on. I think a denim jacket that's like oversized like this is just a staple. I got this one a while ago from ASOS, but it honestly reminds me a lot of a Levi's because it's true denim and there's zero stretch to it. And then I throw in my bum bag. This just keeps my keys, my wallet, things like that. I don't know how, like, people leave their car running when they go and put their kid into school. It's a nice neighborhood, don't get me wrong, but my last neighborhood in Dallas was nice too, and someone stole their car. So, like, don't leave your car running when you go put your kid in. I guess if you can lock your door, it's one thing, but, like, I don't know, weirds me out. So, bum bag. Throw this on, keys, wallet, phone, you know, all of it's here. That way I can hang on to the water bottle, the whatever else he feels he needs to bring in for the day. An oversized graphic sweatshirt. This one's from H&M. You can get them from anywhere. They're just easy, quick, simple. I don't believe this one is specifically available anymore, but I believe they have a Boston one. And the dang Chicago one, I ordered it. It was in orange, it was so cute. And then they sent me an email saying that it was canceled because they no longer had it. I'm so sad. But any graphic sweatshirt, crew neck. This one is super, super oversized, so I got it in an extra small, but you don't want it too sloppy, but you don't want it too tight. Okay, so that way you don't have to wear a bra. I'm wearing like a sports bra, but you don't have to, okay? So we got the bum bag, the denim jacket, the graphic. I do wear my rings, but typically I have my Apple Watch on, so. And then normally, if my hair doesn't look like this, which it doesn't always, I just do a low bun in the back. Just get it out of my face. Good to go. Okay, these Amazon joggers, I know I've talked about them for years and years now. I own them in 2 colors and I need them in more. They're perfect. They have like a stretchy elastic waistband. I don't know if they're comparable to any Lululemon specifically. They have actual pockets. They're not a legging material. They're more of like a flishy material. I will say I wash dry them, have wash dried them, worn them at least once a week for the past over 2 years, and they are kind of pilly, but nothing like major. You can't like see it and it doesn't look bad, but if you get a fabric shaver, you're good to go. But like that would happen with anything. It happens to my Lululemon things, so I don't know, like it has nothing to do with how like the quality. I still think they're amazing. Drawstring waistband, pockets, like I said, they are just everything. I own them in black, own them in navy. They're perfect. So I am a Birkenstock with sock girl. I know lots of people hate it, but that's my shoe of choice, especially when I'm running out the door or like slip-on Vans, something easy. So you can see these joggers come down into like a taper, but they're not like tight or anything like that. These are the most perfect. I swear, they're amazing. I've worn them, like I said, at least every week, if not twice a week, for 2 years. They're so good. So this is like my, I'm just put together. Like I still look like I'm put together. I mean, probably not by people's standards with my shoes, but I don't care. I look put together. I'm good to go. Roll the cuffs, small details like this. I just always leave my denim jacket cuffed and you're good to go. I don't know, it's just easy. So this is my mom errand. Sometimes I'll go to the grocery store after I drop Arlo off. Most of the time not, because it's not open yet. But this is like my go-to. I can come home, I can work, or I can do other things around the house. It's comfortable, it's comfy, it's perfection. So this is my school drop-off outfit of choice, my little uniform. It's so simple, it's so easy. So try it out, let me know. But if you're not a mom, you can wear this anytime. All right, so I think it was like 2 weeks ago, maybe it was 3 weeks ago now, we went out for our very first date night since we've moved, which was much, much needed. We finally found a babysitter that we loved and trusted, nonetheless. We finally got out for our first date night, and this is the outfit that I wore. We went to Como, I think, which is like a Japanese-inspired restaurant in the West Loop, and it was super good. But nonetheless, this is what I wore. So I wore a button-up. Are we surprised? No. This is like a satin oversized one that I got from Abercrombie. I originally got this one in a small, if you saw my Abercrombie haul, but I went ahead and grabbed it in an extra small instead because I just felt like it was already super oversized, so I didn't want anything like even more oversized. Can't remember if I wore a necklace or not, but right now I'm feeling like I should, but we're not going to for the sake of this video, but I probably would have done some small dainty necklaces. I love doing like a fun little lacy bra underneath, since it is kind of a conservative-ish sort of look. I like to do something fun with like a little lacy bra. I got this one off Amazon. It's really nice quality. I'm really happy with it. So it fits true to size. So I layer that underneath a button up, which this one I just thought was fun because it's a little romantic with like the satiny, silky vibe to it. I don't know, I really like it. Lips, I wore Pillow Talk lip combo, like lip liner, lipstick. So that's what's on. I just decided to go nude. I did wear gold earrings, I know that. And I know I wore a couple gold bracelets. So we've got these just like little dainty ones from Amazon as well. Same watch because I always wear it. And then I wore my Curve Love jeans again because I had just got them. And I can't remember if I fully tucked in, but now I'm feeling like I should, even if I didn't. But it just really gives me a waist with overall like a very like flowy upper top. So again, I kind of wore it a little bit off the shoulder, a little undone, just sort of look. Jeans, Curve Love 90s ultra straight, and then I paired it with some black heels. These jeans are like the perfect jeans to wear with heels, in my opinion. They just, I don't know, they're just good. I was worried that these jeans were a bit more of like a casual wash and I should have gone darker, but we weren't going super late at night, so I figured it still worked. So I can't remember if I tucked it in or not, but here's it tucked. And untucked, I would have just like done this. So yeah, this is like a simple date night sort of outfit. My very like standard go-to. If you want to see like a, not date night necessarily, but like a night out, like my going out sort of capsule wardrobe, let me know, because since I don't go out a ton, I have just a couple of pieces. I'm super specific on what I add into my wardrobe, and I've really practiced my capsule wardrobe night out outfits. So let me know if you want to see that video in the comments down below. So this was date night. Let's move on to the next outfit. All right, so this is the look that I wore to Nalani's sister's birthday. We went downtown, I went to Ace Bones, and then to Cindy's, I want to say. I can't remember. Nonetheless, this is the outfit I wore. And this is the first time I practiced, for the most part, I did buy this tank, but of really just like going within my own wardrobe and not buying an outfit specifically for an event, not wearing an outfit that I thought matched the like occasion better than just like what I normally would wear. So this is an outfit that I would typically wear. I could wear it anywhere, but I did think it was a little fun. I don't know. Nonetheless, I did order this bodysuit. This is supposed to be like a Skims dupe off of Amazon. It's really soft. I got a medium in this. I wish I got a small just because I feel like this side doesn't lay flat, and if it was tighter, it probably would. Not a big deal, but yes, it is really nice. It's double lined from the front and the back, which is nice. So if you do want to wear a bra, there's like a smoothing panel that comes to about here in the back as well. So it makes you feel just more smooth. I did wear a bra. I don't think I would now in hindsight because you don't really need to. I was just concerned. I'm gonna just like out myself. I was concerned because it was hot that day and I didn't want to get like under boob sweat. You know what I mean? I don't know. If you know, you know. Anyhow, I also threw a little, yes, I did it because I know I love it. It makes me feel cute. It added interest to the outfit because if you just did this, it's not much. But with this, it's just the right amount. Okay? I know some people hate it. I love it. So this is from Zara. Again, Amazon. I would repurchase these in other colors. I did really like it, which is the thing. So I did buy this bodysuit. So I did kind of break my rule about buying stuff for the outfit. But I wanted something like this anyways. I've been on the fence for it. So when I saw this color, I was like, ooh, it's screaming fall. I can wear it a million different times. It's not specific to an event. It's a basic. So yes, I didn't own something like this. I wanted something like this, and it was still warm, so I wanted to do this, and I had already moved all my summer clothes. So ramble over. Let's move on to the bottoms. I decided to pair it with my wide leg trousers. I feel like these are like kind of trendy-ish. Like they're not super like, you can obviously make them really formal, but I just decided to make them really casual, and they're kind of a trendy piece, so it works for an event, right? Again, I went with the same sort of jewelry. I did not wear a necklace, but I think I did 3 gold bracelets. So I may have added this little flat lay one as well, again off of Amazon. Hoops, gold hoops, like always. Let's move on to the bottom. Also for a bag, I wore my little Chanel crossbody situation. I don't know the names of all the things, but I wore that. That's downstairs. I didn't get it for this place, or get it for this video. But anyways, these pants, perfect, love these. And then I threw it on with my Converse. Makes it look a little bit more sporty, more casual with the fact that we were playing ping pong. So I didn't want to wear like a dress or a skirt or anything like that, even though it was warm out. So this is what I went with. I love these trousers with sneakers. I think it is just perfection. I was so comfortable, and I think it's still cute. It's still like fun, but it's very casual and comfortable. So this is what I wore to our friend's little birthday outing. So yeah, on to the next. Let's end off this outfit of the week with an outfits of the weeks with another really basic casual one that I wear literally every single week. If you're struggling to make your sweatsuits look like presentable, try a couple things, okay? First, try putting something underneath it. I feel like when you don't just see like skin, it like looks like you tried a little harder. I'm not explaining, it's just that layering piece, okay? That. Second, accessorize with small accessories. A baseball hat is go-to. This one is from my recent Abercrombie haul. My little black bum bag. This is the miniature size one that I love. And then tuck your sweatsuit into your sweatpants. Just makes a difference, gives you dimension, gives you a look. I threw this on with same gold jewelry. Again, it just makes it look more of like an outfit instead of just like you rolled out of bed looking like this, even though you totally could have. But yeah, definitely at least cuff the sleeve. You're again giving just a detail and interest to the outfit. Layering is the key piece though. And then for shoes, of course, my Birkenstocks. This is legitimately probably what I'm gonna wear for Halloween trick-or-treating. Mostly just because, well, I don't have a costume. No, I'm just kidding. We just decided to do a super low-key casual Halloween this year and just focus on Arlo and not do a family costume, which made me kind of sad, but it's fine. It was 1000% my choice. I could have. And I thought I actually ordered a wig, but then it turns out I didn't actually hit order. And then by the time I thought about ordering it, it was going to be too late. So it's fine. Yeah, this is my little outfit. This is what I'm going to stay in for the rest of the day. I'm obviously not going to keep my shoes and bag on while I'm working, but this is a very casual, super simple outfit. You don't need to spend a ton of money on a sweatsuit. I feel like sweatsuits, as long as they're fleece lined, they get nicer and nicer the more you wash them. Pick a sort of like medium of the line color. If you go super dark with a sweatsuit, it can look really nice, but A, if you have dogs, no, horrible. B, if you wash it a lot, which is the best part about sweatsuits, is they just get nicer when you wash them, you're gonna fade. So kind of find an in the middle sort of color like this. Doesn't need to be like stark gray, doesn't need to be like stark black. Like find something sort of like wearable, if that makes sense, washable and all of that. This one's from H&M, awesome quality. I don't know if they have the same color anymore. But this is nice. You don't have to spend like $200 on a sweatsuit. It's nuts. This was literally, I know I got mine on sale, but even like full price, it was like 40 bucks. So seriously, amazing basics from H&M. You can mix and match these. Yeah, my favorite. So that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this outfits of that I've worn recently video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I want to continue making more. I want to be realistic with you though and only show outfits that I've truly only worn. So that's why I'm making these like every 2 weeks is more practical for me, because I know I can come up with, or I know I've worn 5 like cute-ish casual outfits that I want to share, sprinkled in with some of my everyday outfits like this one or my school drop-off that I showed you guys. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, let me know by giving the video a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next one.